Hi guys, in this update I want to show you my corner tavern. Let's get a closer in-depth look, shall we? With this first cutscene, I created a simulated parking lot. It features a die-cast lighted 50 Sport Glacier Blue pickup truck, a Menards branded Chevy panel van, and a random die-cast Dodge Ram pickup with added custom Bethlehem markings. In this next shot, I added this elderly male figure who appears to be fumbling around in his pockets for his truck keys. Atop my Tavern burger establishment flashes these beautiful marquee lights. A short walk away is an illuminated flagpole which displays the Lionel flag and the gallant American flag blowing in the wind. For a hint of comical relief for this scene, I picked up this Menards O-Gauge illuminated billboard set. It portrays two uniformed workers applying the advertisements to the billboard. It came with 20 comical decals which are interchangeable, but I personally love this particular decal as a joke for all who come to see it.